It's 2022, y'all, and we made it. Like, really made it. Like, made it. Like, we couldn't get no better than where we are made it. Like, I don't know about you, but I'm super freaking excited about everything that we've accomplished for the year. We have to give ourselves respect and praise and encouragement where it's due. Like, we killed it in 2021. And I know that most of us are hard on ourselves and like we figure out ways to be upset because things aren't going the way we expected. But like when you look back over 2021, for the most part, hopefully, like you have a bunch of things that you can say that you accomplished. I know for me, I ended up pressing past major boundaries and getting to know some really deep aspects of myself, probably more than I ever really want to admit that I got a chance to know during 2021. Peace and blessings, collective. This is one of those videos where I'm not coming with a big script. I'm not coming with a huge talk about some in-depth topic. This is a little bit of a self-love rant. So in this video, child, we're going to recap it all and we're going to talk about some of the things that went down in the red tent, Yoni Love Herbals, in my life, and then what we got planned for the community in 2022. Girl, you don't want to miss this. Can I have a medium hot coffee, caramel swirl cream, and 1 sugar?
Medium hot caramel cream and 1 sugar.
Yes, and then a strawberry frosted with sprinkles.
Okay, how many?
Just 1.
If you buy 2, third one is free.
If I buy 2, the third one is free?
Yeah.
Don't be trying to upsell me, but okay.
Okay, you want it?
Yes. Y'all see that? Business 101. Training your staff to be able to upsell at every way and every stage of your experience with the customer. In the beginning of 2021, things seemed like they were going to be a little bit slow. But then, you know, your girl decided she was going to come back on YouTube and get connected with her subscribers in her community. And then that's when all the magic started to happen. And I started to meet my bomb-ass tribe. Peace and blessings, collective. It's your girl Hadida here, welcoming you into this red tent. Peace, y'all. Coming on from Cancun. Shortly after I decided I was going to start making videos on a regular basis, that's when I got a phone call from a very close friend of mine, and she was like, girl, it's a major thing going on down in Mexico. Don't you want to go? And I was like, absolutely. So I booked a one-way ticket, got on the plane, landed in Mexico, and experienced some of the most profound things I could have ever imagined. I went to Progreso. I went to Tulum. I went to Temazcal's. Like, it was the most profound experience. It's beautiful in here. Nice and peaceful. Let's enter. Bismillah. Oh, this is nice. We just got out of the Temazcal family. It was healing. It was profound. It was deep. And I'm going to share some TMI with y'all. So I told you that I was feeling like I was getting ready to give birth going into this space. And this whole time we've been here, my cycle was on. And it left for about 3 days. Before the actual blood came, I could feel a gushing forth of water. And I know this is TMI, but y'all know I talk about womb and healing and births and yeast infections and bleeding and all kind of crazy stuff on my channel. So I'm just being TMI right now as usual. But before this ceremony, I could feel, like, all last night I did a preparation coming into here. I did a lot of prayer before going to bed. I woke up, I took a ghusl, I got myself prepared. And then mid-afternoon, it was like, man, I'm having cramping. And I was telling my sister, like, I'm having cramping. I don't know, something going on with my womb. Something going on with my womb. Something going on with my womb. I hope my... And I think I even said to her, like, I feel like my mid's coming again. Like, it's that kind of pain. Like, it felt like labor all over again. And then, bam, I walk into the doors of this place, and I could feel like, wait a minute, something ain't right. Go to the bathroom and I'm bleeding. And like, for anybody who hasn't gotten a chance to do that, baby, you need to go. In the Temazcal, I got a chance to sit with shamans who have been passed on the traditions of healing and Temazcal ceremonies from their ancestors for generations. And during that time, I picked up some tips and tricks that of course I had to bring back to my community that was here in America and was awaiting my return. And during this experience, of course, I had to go to the beach and pay a visit to the beautiful blue waters of Mexico. Yes, look at Luna in the sky, y'all. It's almost a full moon. Yeah, she do not wait till night.
Yes, that female energy must be restored. Yes, bring the female energy back. She must be restored. She can come out in the daytime, but the sun can't come out at night. The female energy, they try to put us down, but no, it's our time to shine and rise. It's our time. Feminine energy rise.
Hey.
Yes.
While I was out there and going through all these different ceremonies and experiencing fabulousness, I was given the thought that I should launch my own yoni steaming line. And then that's when the magic happened. So I got on a plane, returned back to America, and I started my yoni steaming line on my birthday. When I came back, got into Philly, went through Ramadan, a major healing. Peace and blessings, collective. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, so I want to drop in and I want to do a couple of announcements for the community. I don't know if you guys know, but this is the month of Ramadan. I am Muslim, and so this is a holy month for all Muslims. And so I kind of been taking a little bit of a break since I've been back from Mexico and really taking this time to increase my worship with the Most High and, you know, to fast and to really do that. So I've been taking a little bit of a break off of YouTube. And then decided that I was going to apply to see if I could get my products into Walmart, just taking a shot like into the wind. And then guess what? It actually happened. Before I know it, it starts to grow like crazy. We instantly get into Walmart. We end up growing and getting into 3 other locations throughout the city of Philadelphia. Peace, family. It's official. Yoni Love Herbals is officially at the King of Prussia Mall. Come to the Goddess District and check it out with my good sis. Show y'all the beautiful setup in store. Yes, hunty. It's fabulous in here. We opened our own shop. We've been at awesome events throughout the entire summer, meeting all these fabulous women from across the world who travel to these different locations. And we got a chance to build the brand in the name of Yoni Love Herbals in this red tent. My first annual Bob Marley Festival. My tent here. You know, we got to welcome in the ancestors. Journals and candles from the shop. A herbal line. The bozos. Excuse my junk. And then in May of 2021, I end up having these crazy behind periods that were like really, really long. And I know this is TMI, but like if you saw that video of my TMI experience, that you already know, or if you watch my lives, then you know too. But girl, I ended up getting rid of all of the crazy bleeding and the long periods and the PMS and the clots, and walked into a time where my period's only 6 days, baby, barely even flowing. One thing's for sure and 2 things for certain, that in 2021, I taught myself that I could do some of the things that I never thought out and never even crossed my mind that I would be able to accomplish. And so I'm here to encourage you that even in the midst of all the craziness that's going on in life, no matter what life throws you, no matter what you end up going through, no matter what trials and tribulations you have, like, girl, Put your mind to it. Get your notebook out. Get your pen. Start strategizing, and let's build this thing for success. And through all of that, while I was building my YouTube channel, I got a chance to meet all of my subscribers on the massive amounts of lives that we ended up doing throughout the end of the year. Peace and blessings, collective. It's time for our Tuesday Rising Grind session. I'm about to get some tunes on. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings. My dear collective. How y'all doing tonight? Ooh. It's time for our virtual red tent meeting. I'm super excited about tonight because, child, Tuesday on the Tuesday live that we usually have, we were covering a whole bunch of stuff. Some of which was bartering, some of it was sex manifestation. We talked about sex manifestation. If you guys have not gotten a chance to check it out, make sure you go and check it out. I just posted a video the other night. It was supposed to be a quick video. It ended up being like 52 minutes long, where I was talking about sex manifestation and all that good yummy stuff. So go there and check it out if you didn't already. How my folks doing? Y'all know it's Tuesday, so it's time to rise and grind and shine and show up to work and do the damn thing. Peace. One thing's for sure and two things for certain. I met some of the best subscribers and tribe that I have ever imagined. You guys are my hot caramel swirl with cream and one sugar, strawberries on top of a lovely ass bomb parfait, whipped cream that melts in my mouth when I put it on top of fruit. Like, baby, you guys are the cream of the crop. And for you, I am eternally grateful. Never did I imagine that through all of this, like, I was going to meet my tribe and I was going to actually get in contact with my subscriber base. Like, that was the best part of 2021 for me. And then on one of my lives, Spirit dropped down on me. Y'all know how it goes. I decided I was going to all of a sudden create a Yoni Love Herbal Ambassadors, the Sisterpreneurs Club, and then on top of that, launch a freaking subscription box. Like, y'all already know how it goes. Spirit just works however it works with me. And so, like, who would have ever thought that I would have been starting all these different aspects of the company, like, inside of a really small, short span of 3-month time frame? Like, my mind is blown, y'all. And still, even after having to overcome corona lurking at every freaking corner when you go outside, Mercury in retrograde cycles that felt like the damn world was about to end and hell was on wheels, and then having to survive the holiday rush season and like double time production and get the business together. We finally land here in this moment of 2022, the freaking time and year of luxury. 2021 in numerology comes out to a 5, and baby, 5 can be rough as hell. 5 is all about change, repositioning your life by experiencing new adventurous kind of things, which some of the time can end up being kind of a daunting experience. But now, thank God, we made it to the number 6, the year of 2022. And 6 is all about balance, baby. About nurturing and about healing all of the crazy experiences that we had to go through in 2021 on the way into 2022. And so the real simple moral of the story is, never give up on yourself, baby, and keep on striving, because regardless of what comes in life, it's always going to be a time when we get to level up right afterwards. You know, with every hardship, there is definitely an ease that's on its way. So stay encouraged and don't let all this crap that be going on in life and the stuff that try to come sideswipe you and the people that got their trash to talk and the people who doubt what your dreams are and your aspirations, don't let none of that stop you in what you about to do. And make sure through all of this, you remain and always are your biggest supporter. Like, nobody's gonna go all in for you like you go in for you. Nobody's gonna care about your purpose or your plan or what you got going for yourself, like you gonna care about you. And they definitely ain't gonna stop hating or come and try to start supporting you in the midst of all that you're accomplishing when you start stunting on these folks in 2022. So what I'm here to tell you is make sure you stay on top of your game, that you keep on striving. Don't allow nothing to come and sideswipe you or make you feel like you less than in this here year of luxury.